In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on Google Sites. This tutorial will guide you through the steps necessary to personalize your site with a custom background image, making it more appealing and aligned with your brand or personal style. To get started, ensure that you are logged into your Google Sites account and have the site you wish to customize open. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find various options for editing and personalizing your site. The ability to change your background allows you to inject personality or professionalism depending on what your site represents. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to locate and click on the image icon. This is your gateway to altering your Google Sites background. By doing this, you open a world of possibilities to infuse your site with your unique flair. When you click the image icon, it will reveal a variety of options. You'll want to focus on the one labeled upload because we're going to use our own image for this background change rather than selecting something from an existing library or gallery. Next, click on the upload option. This will prompt your browser to open a file selection window from your computer. Here you have the opportunity to choose the image that best represents your website's purpose or aesthetic. Whether it's a serene landscape, a corporate logo, or anything that resonates with your message, make sure it's ready and accessible on your device. Keep in mind that the image should be of high quality and appropriate dimensions to ensure it looks good across different devices. A crisp, vibrant photo can work wonders in capturing the attention of your audience when they visit your site. Once you've selected the image from your files, click to open or select it. Google Sites will then upload your chosen picture and automatically set it as the background for your website. It might take a few moments for the upload and changes to take effect, so be patient as Google transitions your site to its new customized look. If everything goes smoothly, you'll see your image displayed prominently as a background. After your background is set, don't forget to preview your site to ensure that the new background aligns well with your site's content and overall design. Check how it appears on different devices to make sure it provides the right visual experience, complementing your site's text and formatting. This step is crucial for identifying any adjustments that might be needed to optimize your site's usability and appearance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your Google Sites background to reflect your personal or business identity better. The best part is that you can change this as often as needed to keep your site fresh and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks on getting the most out of Google Sites and other digital platforms.